Think you've seen it all? What if I told you today's fraudsters run like startups with tech teams, marketing arms, and laundering pipelines, all connected globally? This is part 3 of our cyber fraud series, where we dive deeper into their network, their tools, their tricks, and how you can stay ahead. Fraudsters don't just work in isolation, they operate like a tech startup. Outer layer, phishing factories send thousands of fake SMS and emails every day. Middle layer, call center agents trained to manipulate victims into sharing OTPs or installing apps. Core layer, laundering teams that push stolen money through mule accounts, wallets, and crypto. And all this, coordinated through encrypted chat groups, fake recruitment ads, and even LinkedIn profiles that look legit. Their tools rival legitimate businesses: SIM cloning kits to hijack OTPs, remote access apps disguised as support tools, fake UPI bank app interfaces to trick victims, AI-powered chatbots that can answer like a bank agent. Each scam is a highly automated pipeline designed to drain your account in seconds. Every stolen OTP, card number, or Aadhaar is sold in bulk on the dark web. Fraudsters no longer steal money directly, they sell your identity as a product. Prices: Rs 500 for verified SIM data, Rs 2,000 for a complete KYC kit, Rs 5,000 plus for hacked card credentials with limits. This black market is thriving because data leaks are endless. We explained this pipeline in part 1, but here's what you didn't see. Fraudsters don't attack one bank, they attack payment switches and merchant networks. With global networks like TSYS Prime or core banking like Finacle, fraud rings target back-end systems through phishing bank employees or exploiting outdated APIs. Why do these scams still work? Because they prey on human psychology: urgency, fear, greed, and trust. A fake RBI warning or a double refund email triggers panic, and scammers strike fast. This is social engineering, not just hacking. Your turn. Press A if you've seen fake bank SMS. Press B if someone offered to rent your account. Press C if you want us to expose insider banking frauds next. Your feedback shapes this series. Let's build awareness together. Here's your cyber defense kit. Freeze SIMs and cards instantly after suspicious activity. Check credit reports every quarter. Disable auto debits you didn't approve. Use banking apps with device binding. Report scams to 1930 or cybercrime.gov.in immediately. Fraudsters thrive in silence. Awareness is your strongest weapon.